Peace, love, and light, y'all. What's going on? It's a great grand old day. I don't know what time it is. Oh, okay. But yeah, like I was saying, I was doing my dry fast. I did the partial dry fast yesterday. I think I was just resting so I could heal. It was from my hip. It's my flexor. My hip. And I had to fast, I had to dry fast or so, just to get some movement and whatnot. Try to heal. I did heal, I'm still healing. And what I noticed is that I was surprised how much it healed. How surprised how much it healed just by fasting, just relaxing, giving some rest. Cause I was actually scared for a second. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I was gonna have to go to the hospital, bro. Cause I was scared as hell. Like, I wasn't really able to move. Like, it hurt so freaking much. But yeah, I started resting. I think at 8 p.m. or so, I ended up getting like some applesauce, a little bit of applesauce, and started eating that. And then at 12, that's when I like past 12, that's when I cooked some tricolor quinoa, red onions chopped, diced. And then I had some butternut squash, some pieces of butternut squash, but it was a little bit, just to get my body, get it going, and because I had some food that had to be had to be eaten, especially when you eat alkaline. Like your food, you gotta eat the food fresh, feel me? That's all food we should be eating, it's fresh food. But been resting mostly, and I had to wait till later so I can get more strength, because I don't know if I told you guys it's the next day, so this is day 2. Part of it. This is day 2, and I had to get some rest so I can get some more strength in order to move, because I was like, I don't know how I was gonna take my dog out. I really didn't know I was gonna take my dog out. I'm upstairs too, so it's like, how am I gonna take this dog out? And dogs, they like to pull, and it's just like, and then I had mail too, so they didn't come to my door. I had to go to the front. Yeah, it's rather ridiculous. But I had a friend come over, and it's like, hey man, I was like, I think you have to take my dog out for me. He said, man, I'm doing something, man. I gotta eat or something. I gotta eat. You know what I'm saying? But he take him out real fast. Said, no, he said he gotta do something, like whatever. And I gave him a gift too, because it was his Earth Day recently. But it's whatever. I think it just shows. I'm like, dang, nigga, you couldn't take my dog out real fast, bro. Cause that was painful, bro. Cause then I had to wait till later, cause I wanted to make sure I was like heal, and my dog had to go. So I think I got up like around. It was later in the day. You know what I'm saying? Cause it gets nighttime, especially in this winter. I shouldn't even have to deal with winter. That's why I'm moving. Shit. Oof. I got his pillows elevated and whatnot. What I was gonna say is that I'm sorry. I was trying to adjust myself because of pain. It feels like I'm really like gaining mobility. Like this is probably the closest thing to learn how to walk again for me. It's very try not to focus on it, but hey, there is some pain. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But it's there. and I'm able to have more movement. But it's just like I have to keep massaging it, and I'm changing it. And it's like I'm walking stiff. I know yesterday I couldn't even lift my leg up at one time, like by itself. Like it was actually like dead. It was like I have to use my hands in order to lift my leg up. I've never pulled a muscle like this before in my life. I think it's about the fourth day or so. It should be like pretty close back to normal, or maybe even sooner, depending on how we're gonna go with things. I'm gonna do a little bit of cooking. We'll see. I'll probably make a drink or something. But yeah, I've been trying to rest. And you know what? I think this is kind of interesting too. There's another thing I wanted to say. It's kind of interesting is that because I had plans on getting my LLC, and then getting my car in my LLC, and then this injury happens where it's kind of depleted me. I was just able to do a little bit of work on a computer. I had to download some videos so I can upload it to YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Shit. I'm massaging it right now. My hip. And then it's kind of like too, but it's like, and like to go for a car, you gotta meet up. You gotta look at the car. I don't see how that's gonna be done in about like 2 days. That's when I gotta pay another week here. But it's like I've been paying and they don't even want to come fix this heater because I've been asking for it's been over like a week. We got close to 2 weeks. They don't want to fix this heater. I seen the maintenance guy out right after I got my mail last night. I had to take my dog because I just told him about I needed my heater. And I guess the guy, he saw me. I said, "Oh, Stan, you gonna fix this heater?" He said, "Oh man, I'll be busy." I'm like, "What?" I said, "Man, it's cold," and and he was inside, and I guess tried to act like he ain't hear me. And I'm just like, F this motherfucker. This place is so trashy. The people here. And I admit I said I was gonna call corporate that night. I said I was gonna call them today, but shoot, I probably need to. But I'm not sure. I'm not feeling if I want to get someone fired. But it's like, they gotta check. They gotta do their job. You know what I'm saying? I've been paying on here on time. But that's the heater running out. But sometimes it gets hot. And it gets to a certain degree. And if it's cold, then it doesn't get on. Then you know what I'm saying? That's an issue. This is kind of a gift. I'm just taking it as a gift, recognizing experience. But it must mean something if I'm not to. I don't know. It's all coming to me, But I do gotta make a move or not. And I guess it's supposed to be for me to relax and rest. A lot of things in my mind. A lot of things in my physical. Hey. You know what? You guys in the book of one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. Or you can DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. I was gonna say, we got our American apparel, American meaning apparel, and we have our amazing artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Yeah, if you guys want to start a business, we got that course for you guys in the description box below. You guys got to do something, especially in this quarantine, because they're talking about they're going to shut the city down again. Already shut down the London, already shut down the UK. It's trying to shut down places. It didn't work before. They want to do it again. We need money to live in this society. So you want to try to get some money, you got to start a business. You don't know how to go about it. You don't know what to start and what you're interested in. Take the course down in the description box below. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you guys don't want to take the course, then just be stuck, do nothing. Doing the same thing over and expecting different results is insanity. Y'all have a great one. Peace.